fan needs to stay on because it's really hot in Britain right now. It's like heat wave central over here. It's not great. It's really not. As you can tell by my groggy voice and my groggy appearance, I just woke up. Kinda. I woke up 2 hours ago, but I played on my DS and I played on my phone. Whoa, you're awake so early in the morning. What is this? I have a job now, so good job me. I know, right? I'm so proud. I'm I have clothes. It's fine. But I burnt myself in my new job because I like bake stuff. So that's why that's there. Nothing bad's happened. I think I finally found my foundation colour, but it's too pale. So I'm kind of using this as an experiment to see if it's too pale or if I mix it with my other one, will that be the right colour? Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. First of all, I'm going to be using Hide and Conceal in the colour Fair, because you know, this is like my favourite thing. Whoa! I also found another concealer that was like fucking paler than me. I don't know how. It just is. I'm gonna use this as a like base, you know. Start us off a wee bit. I put it on my under eyes because, as you can tell, sleeping has not been my best suit right now because it's too darn hot everywhere. Okay, we're gonna try doing this on one side, and then on the other side we'll try mixing them and see. Or I could just mix them at home. That's the pale one. This is pale. Nah, this is ivory. It's not a pale one. I don't think I have. Okay, I had some of it. It always smells like sun cream, this one. Doesn't really make a difference. The Illuminating Touch foundation in the colour Cool Ivory. And I tried mixing it with ivory, but I didn't realise I did not have enough of that to do that, but it's fine. I have pressed powder anyway that I can use to help. So I'm just gonna shove this crap all over my face. I look so oily. Jesus Christ. Just put on a super light concealer in the colour that, like, look how white that is. And this is the now I will be taking the collection press powder to set my face and add a little bit of colour back into it. I don't like to use a lot, I just like to kind of use the least amount that I can to just make it matte and then just forgot about it. Okay, I have the face palette I got from H&M. Save me.
Drop it. Yeah.
Put my blush. Now, since we're doing it. like a real person yet. I don't feel like a real person. I'm going to be taking my brow pencil from Primark. And I'm going to use the spoolie because I don't really like filling it in. I don't like filling in my brows because I can never find the right colour to actually see them. So I just kind of brush them. Nude palette. Does it say nude? Because Nightfall. I was gonna say it because there's like purples and stuff in it. It's so fucking nude, is it? Okay. Got my neck. Going in order. This colour. Okay. That one. Then this one. And the sparkly lid. Let's do it. Bigger. Okay, we're gonna try and conceal my under eyes again because it's just not working. And take the small end of this brush, grab my palette again. I'm gonna take the first colour. Just gonna smudge that under my eye a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're gonna take the white. We're gonna put that in my inner corner, of course. Where else would you put the white? I don't know. I remember when I used to use white eyeshadow for fucking highlighter. Jesus. The good old days. Now we move on to mascara. Now for the lips. I have my PS lip liner that I'm in love with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see the stuff I do. I shall see you all next time. Did you like that little transformation? It was all like, and then it was just like I hate myself.